à la Language Fluent. Je m'appelle Muskan, aka the Smiley, and today I'm back with yet another exciting video where we'll be discussing all together about our body parts. Don't worry, I'm not talking about a biology class, but we'll be discussing about a few basic body parts that whenever you come in contact or talk to someone, you can use them comfortably. And let me introduce you to Language Fluent as well. We are a company that teaches over 16 different languages all over the globe to all age groups. And we also provide translation and interpretation services. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. The video is going to be very simple so that you all can remember the facts and the parts of the body. So the very first thing that we'll be discussing is the vocabulary. The second thing is I'll just sing a song and a poem for you guys so that you can remember a few body parts, and the third part will be a quiz just to test your remembrance. So the body in French is known as le corps. Le corps. Le corps. Different parts of the body are known as les parties du corps. Les parties du corps. Where the parts is replaced by partie and the body is known as the corps. Now that we have discussed the body, le corps, and the different parts of the body, les parties du corps, let us start off directly from here. So my head is known as la tête. La tête. Tête. My hair are known as les cheveux. Les cheveux. Cheveux. La tête, les cheveux. Next, the ears are known as les oreilles. Les oreilles. 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 The face is known as la visage. La visage. La visage. The eyes are known as les yeux. Les yeux. Les yeux. The nose is known as le nez. Le nez. Le nez. The mouth is known as la bouche. La bouche. La bouche. The teeth are known as les dents. Les dents. Les dents. And your neck is known as le cou. Le cou. Le cou. Now let's just quickly revise what all we discussed. The body, le corps. Different parts of the body, parts of the body, différentes parties du corps. Parties du corps. La tête, that is your head. Les cheveux, your hair. La visage, that is your face. Les yeux, your eyes. Le nez, that's your nose. La bouche, your mouth. Les dents, your teeth. Les oreilles, your ears. Le cou, That's your neck. Further, let's move forward by considering the body parts that are down, that your cou. Le cou is your neck. Further, we have les bras, les bras, les bras, that are your arms. Les mains, les mains, les mains, your hands. Les doigts, les doigts, les doigts. These are your fingers. Now let's revise everything all together once again. Le corps, partie du corps, la tête, les cheveux, l'oreille, l'oreille, les yeux, le nez, la bouche, les dents, le cou, les bras, les mains, les doigts. Further, let's see your back. So the back is known as le dos. Le dos. Your stomach is known as la ventre. Or you can also call it as l'estomac. That is associated with stomach. L'estomac. La ventre, l'estomac. Your legs are known as les jambes. Your knees are known as les genoux. And your feet are known as les pieds. Let's revise them all whole together. Alors, on va commencer par la corpse. Différentes parties du corps. La tête. Les cheveux. L'oreille. Les yeux. Le nez. La bouche. Les dents. Le cou. Le dos. Les bras. Les mains. Les doigts. Le ventre. Ou l'estomac. Jambes. Les jambes. Le genou. Les pieds. And all together it comes to be les corps. Now let us understand it even more better by listening to this poem. Now that you have perfectly crammed the vocabulary that is related to your body, let me take a quiz for you all. I have a few questions and you can reply them as quickly as you want. So the first question is, What is the part of the body you use to punch someone? What is the part of the body that you use to punch someone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. La main. Très bien. La main. That's right. Bravo. The second question is, which part of the body do you use to sniff with? Which part of the body do you use to sniff with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oui, c'est correct. Le nez. Le nez. Bravo, très bien, mes amis. Next, this one's tough. What's the prettiest part of my body? What's the prettiest part of my body? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vous êtes confus? Are you guys confused? Guess it. Whether it's les yeux, la bouche, le visage, or les doigts. The choice is yours. Okay, jokes apart, let me proceed to the next one. Any more that you have or you feel like, which body part do you use to see someone? Which body part do you use to see someone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oui, c'est vrai. C'est les yeux. Les yeux. Très bien, mes amis. Félicitations, bravo. So that is it for today's video. I hope you all learned and crammed up the vocabulary that is related to les parties du corps and you have learned it by heart. Do not forget to use it in your daily life so that you can get better in this vocabulary and your remembrance. And also, do not forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel given below. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, à bientôt. Bisous, bisous. Au revoir, mes amis.